Have you ever heard of a pangolin? It is a truly remarkable creature, unlike any other. Pangolins are mammals just like us, but they are covered in something quite extraordinary. Large overlapping scales protect their bodies. These scales are made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. It makes them look like little walking pine cones or tiny armored knights of the forest. They are shy animals, often unseen by human eyes. Pangolins are sometimes called scaly anteaters, giving us a clue about their lives. They do indeed eat ants and termites too, using their long, sticky tongues. There are 8 different species of pangolin living in Africa and Asia. Each species is specially adapted to its home. Sadly, these unique animals face many dangers today. We must learn more about them to help protect them. When a pangolin feels threatened, it curls up into a tight ball, a scaly sphere. The sharp edges of its scales point outwards, providing excellent protection from predators. Even lions find it hard to get past this defense. Pangolins are a testament to nature's ingenuity. Their very existence is a wonder to behold. The name pangolin comes from a Malay word, Pangolin, meaning one who rolls up. Let us delve deeper into the secret life of these armored enigmas. The scales of a pangolin are its most defining feature. They are made of keratin, tightly fused together, covering almost the entire body. Only the soft underbelly, sides of the face and inner legs are without scales. The scales grow continuously throughout the pangolin's life, worn down by digging and moving. New keratin is always being added from the base, ensuring the armor remains strong and effective. When a pangolin is born, its scales are soft and pale, hardening within a few days. The number of scales remains the same throughout its life, increasing in size as the pangolin grows. The color of the scales can vary, often helping them blend in with their surroundings. Camouflage is another important aspect of their defense. The scales are surprisingly lightweight, allowing the pangolin to move with relative ease. They overlap like tiles on a roof, providing a flexible but impenetrable barrier. The sharp edges of the scales can inflict cuts, deterring predators. If a scale is lost, a new one will gradually grow back, though this process can take time. The scales make up a significant portion of a pangolin's weight, sometimes up to 20% of its total body mass. Beyond protection, the scales may serve other purposes, such as helping with digging. The smooth, hard surface could reduce friction in the soil. However, their primary role is undoubtedly defensive. No other mammal has evolved such a comprehensive suit of armor. This makes pangolins a unique subject of study. Understanding their scales helps us appreciate their evolution. It is a marvel of natural engineering, perfected over millions of years. Pangolins are insectivores, meaning they eat insects. Their diet consists almost exclusively of ants and termites. They are very particular about the species they consume. Some pangolins might prefer certain types of ants, while others focus more on termites. This specialized diet means they need specific habitats where these insects are abundant. They use their incredible sense of smell to locate nests, guiding them through the forest at night. Once a nest is found, the pangolin uses its strong claws to tear open concrete hard termite mounds or excavate deep into underground ant nests. Their front claws are particularly powerful tools. While digging, they can close their nostrils and ears to keep insects out, a useful adaptation for their feeding style. The most remarkable feeding tool is the pangolin's tongue, incredibly long and sticky, a perfect insect trap. In some species, the tongue can be longer than their body, attached deep within the chest cavity near the pelvis. This allows for its extraordinary length and reach. The tongue is covered in a sticky saliva, and when the pangolin flicks its tongue into a nest, insects stick to it. It can dart its tongue in and out very rapidly, consuming hundreds of ants in a single minute. Pangolins do not have teeth in the traditional sense and don't need to chew their food. Instead, they swallow the ants and termites whole, along with small stones and sand. These are stored in a muscular part of their stomach called the gizzard, which grinds up the insects. The keratinous spines in their stomach also help with digestion. A single pangolin can eat millions of insects each year. They play an important role in controlling insect populations. Like all animals, pangolins need water to survive. They get some moisture from insects, but often need to drink water directly. They lap up water from streams, puddles, or ponds. Finding water is crucial, especially in dry areas. Their foraging relies on their senses. They have poor eyesight, but a strong sense of smell. They sniff the ground for ants or termites. Once they detect a scent, they follow it. Their hearing helps them locate insects underground. These senses guide their nocturnal foraging. Pangolins are solitary foragers, except for mothers with young. A baby pangolin rides on its mother's back, learning to forage. Adult pangolins travel several kilometers at night. They have regular routes, but may explore new areas. Finding a large ant or termite nest is a feast. They feed for a while and then move on. This allows insect colonies to recover. They use powerful claws to break into nests. Their long tail provides balance. Every part of their body is adapted for this lifestyle. Section 5, where pangolins call home diverse habitats. Pangolins are found in 2 main regions of the world. 4 species live across sub-Saharan Africa, and the other 4 species are native to Asia. Their habitats are quite varied, including tropical forests, savannas, grasslands, and dry woodland areas. The key requirement is a good supply of ants and termites, along with suitable places for shelter. This diversity shows their adaptability to different environments. African pangolins include the giant ground pangolin, the largest species, living mainly in savannas and woodlands. The white-bellied pangolin and black-bellied pangolin are more arboreal, skilled at climbing trees in forests. Temminck's ground pangolin prefers open grasslands. Each African species has its own niche, adapted to the specific conditions of their region. Asian pangolins also show habitat diversity. The Indian pangolin is found in grasslands and forests, known for its digging abilities. The Chinese pangolin prefers subtropical and deciduous forests. The Sunda pangolin or Malayan pangolin lives in Southeast Asia, often found in forests and plantations. The Philippine pangolin is found only in the Philippines, inhabiting lowland forests and grasslands. These species face unique challenges in their respective homes. Regardless of the specific habitat, pangolins need cover and places to rest during the day. Many species dig burrows for shelter, which can be quite extensive. Some pangolins use hollow trees or dense vegetation, while others might take over burrows dug by other animals. These shelters protect them from predators and the elements, essential for their survival. Habitat loss is a major threat to all pangolin species. Protecting their diverse habitats is crucial for their conservation. Section 6, A Day in the Life Nocturnal Wonders. Pangolins are primarily nocturnal creatures, most active during the night. As dusk falls, they emerge from their daytime shelters with heightened senses, particularly smell in the cool night air. The darkness provides them with cover from many predators. They move slowly and cautiously through their territory, with their main goal being to find food. The night is their time for hunting and exploration, when the forest truly comes alive for them. During the day, pangolins rest and conserve energy in their burrows, tree hollows, or thick bushes. Ground pangolins often dig their own burrows, which can be several meters long and quite deep. Tree-dwelling pangolins find refuge in holes in trees or rest in the forks of branches. They usually sleep curled up in a ball, providing warmth and protection even while resting. This period of rest is crucial for their well-being, allowing them to be active throughout the night. The daily activities of a pangolin mother are different if she has a young one. Baby pangolins, called pango pups, are born in a burrow and are very dependent on their mother at first. The mother nurses her pup and keeps it warm. When she goes out to forage, the pup often rides on her tail or clings to her back. She teaches it how to find ants and termites, with the pup learning by watching and imitating her. Pangolins are generally solitary, except for mothers with young. Males and females come together only for mating, after which they go their separate ways. Each pangolin has its own home range, which they may mark with scent to avoid unwanted encounters with others. Their solitary nature adds to their enigmatic reputation. They live quiet, hidden lives under the cover of darkness. This nocturnal lifestyle makes them mysterious to us. Section 7. Unique behaviors more than just scales. Pangolins roll into a ball when threatened, their sharp scales creating a formidable shield. This protects their soft underbelly from predators. They are excellent diggers, using strong claws to excavate soil and find ant nests. Their long, sticky tongue helps them retrieve insects quickly. Some species are skilled climbers, using prehensile tails to navigate trees. Pangolins are marvels of adaptation, with unique behaviors and traits. Understanding these behaviors is key to their protection. Section 8. A perilous existence threats to survival. Pangolins are among the most threatened animals, facing extinction due to illegal poaching and habitat loss. They are trafficked for their meat and scales, and their habitats are being destroyed. Despite laws, enforcement is tough, and their slow reproduction hampers recovery. Conservation efforts must tackle poaching, habitat loss, and raise public awareness. Community involvement and rescue centers are crucial for their survival. We must act now to protect pangolins and ensure their future. Section 9. Guarding the shy, scaly mammal, our shared responsibility. Protecting pangolins is a critical conservation challenge. They control insect populations and aerate the soil. Their unique form and gentle nature are worth preserving. Many organizations are working to save pangolins by strengthening laws and increasing patrols. Raising public awareness is crucial. Education can reduce demand for pangolin products. Community involvement is key to success. Support organizations and avoid buying products made from endangered wildlife. Responsible tourism supports local communities. Together we can ensure a brighter future for these remarkable creatures.